Set on the edge of College Hill, stone steps lead up to this delightful brick Colonial. The entry hall is flanked by a graciously proportioned living room with a fireplace and a charming study with a nearby half bath. The dining room is bathed in sunlight and opens directly into the eat-in kitchen, featuring a large breakfast bar. A coffered ceiling and a wall of windows make the skylit sunroom at the rear of the home a lovely setting for entertaining. Step out to the extensive yard, ideal for large outdoor gatherings and activities. The second floor has 3 bedrooms and 2 baths, including a master suite boasting an ensuite bath. The lower level has an additional bath with laundry and 2 finished rooms, allowing you to create a recreation room or a guest suite. This delightful home is just steps to Hope Village, a popular hub filled with locally owned cafes and boutiques. Nearby College Hill is home to the renowned campuses of all education levels, including Brown University and the Rhode Island School of Design. Downtown Providence is minutes away and boasts a commuter rail along with a plethora of acclaimed theaters and restaurants. For more information, please visit the property website or call Jim DeRentis at area code 401-529-2188.